Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. Having good paper for your printer is so important, and I love this paper from Hammermill. It is the Great White 30. This is the 500 sheet pack, and it's in the 8.5 by 11 size, and it is absolutely perfect for everyday printing and copying. It's really great for printing things in black and white, for doing proofing, forms, manuals, and it's 99.9% jam free, which I really appreciate. If you are printing a whole bunch at once, you are not going to have to worry about your printer getting jammed up.
I find this paper to be really nice and sturdy because I am often using it to print shipping labels for things that I sell online. So I really think this is a great option for that.
I find this just be a great all-around printer paper, and I love using it with my printer. So if you're looking for a good quality printer paper, I highly recommend this Great White from Hammermill, and that is my point of view.